Hey everyone, Katie here on day 12 of 14 Days to Fabulous, and today we are talking about menu planning. Now, I have just done a video about menu planning at the beginning of March, so I am going to link that to this video here and just give you a brief description about what you're going to see since I've already explained everything in that other video. So menu planning is so key to running an organized home and to feeling like you've got control over your day and your week and your month even. And so that is why I choose to do my meal planning monthly. I want to sit down and think about it once. I want to do inventory one time a month. I don't want to have to keep coming back to meal planning week after week. So I do it by the month. So here's April's, it's all done. I do cute little stickers and I hang this up on the fridge so that everyone can see what to expect for dinner that month, honestly. And so without further ado, day 12, I'm gonna link you to that video right now. I am really excited to bring this to you because I have, like I told you, myself and my husband live here. Our adult son, Robbie, who is 20, and our two teenagers, Lulu, who is 17, Sam, who is 15. I think Michael is coming in right now. There's Michael. Sometimes he eats with us too, and he's 18. And then the two moms. So I have a lot of people that I am feeding, and so I've got to really be on top of things. Plus, I'm going to talk about this a little bit in my happiness chart video that I'm going to do for you, but I hate meal planning. I hate meal planning. I hate cooking. I hate dinner. Actually, I don't hate cooking. I really like doing like fun stuff like Thanksgiving. New Year's Eve was a good time. I like cooking fun things, but the day in, day out drudgery of dinner every single night, why do they want to eat every night and have something delicious? I don't know, it drags on me. So I was trying to figure out some easier ways to get this done, and this is what I have settled on, and it really works for me. So you need a few things to get started. First of all, I have a monthly calendar, and as you can see, I kind of just cross off as I go. And on the bottom here, I'll do close-ups of these later, but on the bottom, those are the meals that I am serving for that day. And I say meals, but it's really dinner. For breakfast, I stock cereal, I stock oatmeal, the kids like smoothies. Rob doesn't eat breakfast. I just drink coffee with heavy cream, and the moms don't eat breakfast either. So I just have like those basic things, toast on hand that they can have at any time. I'm looking over here because this is my pantry, and I'm like, what do I have over there? See, down there. Anyway. So, and then for lunches, we do leftovers or we do sandwiches. I always have lunch meat on hand. The kids are really into pizza rolls right now, so they'll do a pizza roll, ramen noodles, but I don't meal plan breakfast or lunch or snacks. I just have some things on hand, apples, carrots, beef jerky we like. So this meal planning is just for dinners. So in addition to the big calendar, I like to start in my planner. So I will open it up. We're going to meal plan for March together. And you can see I have a few events already written in here. So I like to know what I've got going on. For example, Sam is turning 16 on March 21st. So I am going to cook a meal that he really likes. As a matter of fact, I think I know what it is. It's going to be his chicken pot pie. That's his favorite. So I'm going to go ahead and cook a meal that he really likes on that day. And then other activities that I know that we're going to like be out or it's going to be a rush for me, I just will make it easy and I can know in advance what I'm doing. So I'll write, let me show you February, and I'll do this, I'll do close-ups too, but this is February. You can see all the meals in there. So that's what we're going to do for March. So I do it in my planner first. Sometimes I do it in pencil. This time I'm doing it in pen, living dangerously. And then I transfer it to my big one, which I decorate with stickers, and it just makes me happy, so why not? After I get all of the meal planning done, then I do my grocery shopping, and I do it right here from this chair. I do Walmart pickup, and I buy everything that I need for these meals that we're planning out. So I'm going to walk you through that and show you how I do it. But for now, let's get started on the actual meal planning. So I don't know about you guys, but my husband is a meat and potatoes guy. So he really likes meat and potatoes. So I have to have a meat. It's not a meal without meat. He calls it meatle. That's a meat meal. And it's ridiculous. I am happy for those of you that can do something like meatless Mondays, but I cannot in this household. So I like to cook to make him happy for sure. But to make me happy, on Mondays we have pasta every night. So I will do, so every Monday I'll do a pasta dish of some sort. It'll either be meatballs, or we like hot Italian sausage, or we'll do I'll do a basil chicken pasta, something easy, something fast, something delicious, but definitely a pasta dish on Monday. Then on Tuesdays, it's always Taco Tuesday. So I will do something Mexican. Today, I'm filming this on a Tuesday, and we're having taquitos tonight, chicken taquitos. So I've got those, the chicken cooking in the Instapot right now, actually. So you'll probably hear that go off during this video, but that's okay. So something Mexican every Tuesday. This just makes my life easier, and it also, the kids know what to expect. So on Wednesdays, I will do something like a meatloaf or a stir fry, sometimes a hamburger I'll do. Usually I kind of save that for Thursday, anything that I'm going to do like on a grill or something, but a casserole, that will be on Wednesdays. I try to do stuff that I know Michael doesn't like on Wednesday because he doesn't eat with us on Wednesdays. He goes over to his father's house. So he hates meatloaf, so I'll put meatloaf on a Wednesday. Actually, Lulu hates meatloaf too. Everybody hates meatloaf except for me and Rob. So I'm still going to make it because we like it. Actually, the grandmas like it too. So meatloaf we'll do. And then Thursday, like I said, something on the grill, something like a baked chicken I will do. I kind of just mix up Wednesdays and Thursdays. Rob really likes hamburgers and fries, so I could probably do that every Thursday and he would be happy. I don't do it enough right now for him, for his liking, but that's okay. And then on Fridays, I order the big pizzas, and you can get those from Walmart for like $5. I'll show you. Well, a little bit more, but I'll do pizzas on Fridays because we have kids here. Usually they come over after homeschool co-op, and so I like to be able to feed them. I know they're super tired of pizza, but I don't know. It's Friday. I don't want to cook, so I don't cook on Friday, and then on Saturday I don't cook either. Saturday is our dinner out night, or the kids will get their own dinner out. The moms take care of themselves. You can make a sandwich if you want to, but I don't cook Friday, Saturday, or Sunday nights. Sunday night is a help yourself night, or make a sandwich, use the leftovers. I have leftovers all the time, so use those up. But again, I only cook Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And I know that seems a lot for some people, but once I have it all planned out for the month, I have all of the things that I need on hand in order to be able to create these meals. It's not that hard. So I'll show you, and here we go. I'll link the remainder of this video above so you can finish watching it if you want to. If not, I'll see you tomorrow for day 13, bedtime and evening routine.